Welcome to Next Level. Let's practice your English listening today in just a few minutes. Today's story, Level B1. Listen carefully, try to understand as much as you can, and don't worry if you don't get everything the first time. Let's go to the next level together. Story, a surprise trip. Emma had been working hard for months. Between her full-time job and taking care of her family, she barely had time for herself. One Friday afternoon, as she was finishing her work, her phone buzzed with a message from her best friend, Mia. "Hey Emma, I have a surprise for you. Be ready at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Don't ask questions, just pack a bag and be ready for an adventure." Emma was curious and a little nervous. She wondered what Mia had planned but trusted her completely. That night she packed a small suitcase with clothes, toiletries and a camera. She went to bed early, excited but unsure about what was coming. The next morning, at exactly 7 a.m., Mia knocked on Emma's door with a big smile. "Good morning. Ready for your surprise trip?" Emma smiled back. "I'm ready. Where are we going?" Mia laughed. "That's a secret. You'll find out soon." They drove for about 2 hours, chatting and laughing along the way. Emma enjoyed the fresh air and the changing scenery. The city faded behind them, replaced by green hills and open fields. Finally, they arrived at a small airport. Mia handed Emma her boarding pass and said, "We're flying to a place you've never been before." Emma was thrilled. She looked at the boarding pass. Barcelona, Spain. The flight was smooth, and as the plane landed, Emma could see the beautiful city below, with its mix of old and modern architecture, colourful streets, and the sparkling sea nearby. After checking into their hotel, Mia suggested they start exploring right away. They visited the famous Sagrada Familia, walking around the incredible cathedral and taking pictures. Emma was amazed by the details and the history behind the place. Next, they strolled down La Rambla, the lively street filled with shops, cafes, and street performers. Emma tried some local food for the first time, including a delicious tapas dish. She loved the new flavors and the vibrant atmosphere. In the evening, they went to the beach to watch the sunset. The sky turned orange and pink, reflecting on the calm water. Emma felt peaceful and happy, grateful for this unexpected adventure. The next few days were full of new experiences. They visited museums, rode bicycles through the park, and met friendly locals who shared stories about the city. Emma practiced her English and even learned some Spanish phrases. One afternoon, while sitting in a cozy cafe, Mia said, "I wanted to do this trip because you deserve a break. You've been working so hard, and I'm looking forward to many more adventures together." Emma smiled and replied, "Thank you, Mia. I'm looking forward to that too." On the last night, they attended a live music concert in a small venue. The energy was incredible, and Emma danced and sang along with the crowd. She felt alive and full of joy. When they returned home, Emma felt refreshed and inspired. The trip reminded her of the importance of taking time for herself and enjoying life's surprises. She knew she would cherish these memories forever. Let's remember, "I'm looking forward to" means I'm excited about something that will happen. Great job today. Keep listening, keep practicing, and you will reach the next level. If you like this practice, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and come back tomorrow to keep improving your English. See you next time.